All right, so trade recap. Today I took this trade, was a loss. I will go through my thought process and why I took this trade and what I learned from this trade. So we start with the calendar, right? Yesterday we had the bank holiday, and even though there was a bank holiday, the market was very volatile. We had a big candle made, and there was a lot of good price action yesterday actually, but I didn't trade because I stick to my rules, bank holiday. And trade tomorrow. Today we had the Empire State Manufacturing Index, the 8:30 New York time, which I was watching to see what it would do. So let's go into the technicals, right? This you can ignore the weekly midnight. I just have this for the weekly, but yeah, we can actually say based on the week what's happening. I am looking for a bullish week. I'm looking to take this buy side liquidity. This is my DOL, my drawn liquidity, and on the daily, on Monday we had an up candle with a little bit of manipulation or a Judas swing at the start of the day. After seeing this, I had a very bullish bias, even though we entered a daily order block right here. I still thought we could, not thought, I was looking to go into the consequent encroachment of this, or even take this uh, high right here, or at least take the previous day high. But from what we can see so far, the candle is an inside candle, right? If I take this out, it's an inside candle. So that means we're in a consolidation today. Not good market conditions so far. Right, it could change. In the PM session, we still have the FOMC yellow folder, one yellow folder, two yellow folders to FOMC. Nothing much, but it could spike. It could like push the price a bit. Could be good. Um, yeah. So inside candle consolidation, I was hoping to see a retracement into the consequent encroachment of this candle, right? If you take the 50% of this candle here, and it was lining up with this 4-hour fair value gap right here, so we could go down to here and that manipulation and then go up, and here you can see how how Tuesday is consolidating. Nothing much happening. um so I was hoping to go either this fair value gap or this fair value gap. Went to this one. uh this one was still lower probability because we have this huge consolidation here. So I don't know. This would be a good fair value gap, but yeah, it didn't go. It went here, and I just take it. Yeah, I went into this fair value gap, which is also the 50% of this range. And this is the 50% of the range. So yeah, it would be really good, but it's okay. So going ahead, we can see um we have the sessions, right? And we have Asia session was kind of in a range, you can see it's just not doing much. The thing is, Asia did enter the 4-hour fair value gap, but yeah, then we have London session, which is the manipulation. Let's see, it swept Asia's low while also entering the fair value gap again. And here I was waiting for a sweep on the previous candle low. Going higher, we didn't. We had an SMT with S&P right here. So that was a good sign. Got an SMT, and then we will go into the hourly. And here, I'm gonna just take out my drawings. This is the 4-hour fair value gap. On the hourly, I had this as a market maker buy model marked out. The SMT and this we can just take out for now. I marked out this breaker block.
Gregory,
No.
mamka ti vzkazuje, že máš jít dolů poje.
Přijdu.
A teď je pryč, jo?
Dobré, běž. Okay, yeah, I marked out this 1-hour order breaker block. Sorry, breaker block. Why this is a breaker block is high, low, higher, high, right? High, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Market structure shift. There's also a market structure shift on the 15-minute. We got low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Market structure shift on the 15-minute and after London session. So London kind of did the market structure shift, which is a good sign. So I marked out this breaker block. Either way, it's either a breaker block or a mitigation block, so it's something. It's a PD array for the PD array matrix, right? Because we got now this range I was looking at. We got this rejection block, right? We got fair value gap and breaker mitigation block, order block. So we also have this order block. The order block was already hit, right? You can see here, but I was hoping to see, I was looking to see a move back into the breaker block, possibly into the fair value gap, but that didn't happen. So I just waited. Go to the 15-minute. My initial target when it will go down and I would enter the trade was this buy side liquidity, right? The Asia session liquidity, because there's all these flat. It's super flat, and this is also our original consolidation, right? We got this original consolidation, distribution, reaccumulation, smart money reversal, reaccumulation, and just took it. My overall DOL for the day was the previous day high, because these are also equal highs. So that was those were my targets. Take out our fib from the London to New York OTE, or we could maybe put it here, the OT. I'll put it there, because I was hoping before, I like to do the OT before 8:30, so I'll put it here. There was nothing on the OT, so it was this consolidation, kind of nothing much here. So yeah, I just waited. As you can see, the price just barely didn't even attach by a few pips. Ticks. And I just watched as price went up. Then we got 9:30. Went up, it took the buy side, so I was looking to go to the DOL. Drawn liquidity. Sorry, my bad. I was looking to go to the DOL, and I was looking for 9:30 to do its move. 9:30 was a disaster. Took both. It went down. It went to the order block, the 15-minute order block. It went up, took out these candles. Yeah. Then I just went to the 1 minute. I saw when it took down here into the order block. I looked for a range to be made, a range all the way to the upside, and we had rejection block. We had order block. We had fair value gap. I was entering off the fair value gap, and I was waiting for open high low close, open low high close confirmation. I wanted to see what the next candle would do, but then wait. I entered on the open of this candle, my stop loss below here, because if we went below this, I would assume we're going down more, so it would just delete my bias. And what we did, I got stopped out immediately. So this candle stopped me out. We consolidated, went lower, took this flat lows, went up, and I assume it's gonna go higher. Yeah. Also, this hourly candle, I was assuming it went into this order block. I counted the wick, but yeah, I didn't get nothing from that. This was the market structure shift. A reasonable stop loss at this point will be to put it a lot below here, which it's a 100% safe stop loss. So we got the market structure shift. It shouldn't go below there. If it went below there, it would just continue lower, right? But yeah, I put it here because I was sure. Targeted the drawn liquidity. Stopped out. What I could have done better in this trade is I could have waited, not trade, because we can see this candle was very weird. With 15 minute, we got these candles. There's nothing really here happening. We just took out both sides in a way. Plus, this is also a inside candle. Mostly, I want to see the high of the previous candle get taken. Didn't get taken. Still, may get taken later. I don't think so. I think today we will consolidate because Monday really was a huge candle. So there was a lot of volatility, a lot of stuff happening. We can see though that most of the market was nice. We got this small consolidation. We got low of the day at 4:30 a.m. New York time, which is pretty nice. We didn't get London to New York OT. No CBDR because it's a big range. Right, we got 450 ticks. Oh, actually, this could be. Yeah, this could be a CBDR. Didn't really count that. The 4 hour, nothing. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. What I could have done is just waited for it to go where I marked it out. This breaker, this order block, this fair value gap. It didn't go there. I just assumed, right, this order block. I just assumed this wick counted to the order block. I guess it counted in a way, but you can see New York is just consolidating. This is a bad price action. I guess it's because Asia wasn't a good range, I believe. I don't know. It's because of yesterday, I would say. We just got this huge candle up. That's why today was not a good day to trade. Still, I tried. I did risk, of course. I didn't go my full risk. I put half, so my losses aren't so bad. No, it didn't affect me somehow. Yeah, nothing more I could have really done than just waited and not traded at all because it's a bad day. Even though it's Tuesday, I think Monday put low of the week, to be honest. I think this is the low of the week. I think Wednesday is probably gonna just come down into the fair value gap, the daily fair value gap. And then we have, because also Wednesday there's nothing, right? So I don't assume this is gonna be big or like good price action overall. So I think it's just probably just come down into the fair value gap. Possibly, I don't think so, into this order block. These two candles makes this order block. Not gonna happen, I don't think so, because if it does, and I think it will go lower at that point. Yeah, I think it's just gonna fill this fair value gap to the 50% because we still got the consequent encroachment of this candle, and I think it goes perfectly with the fair value gap. Yeah, so I could really see a move into here on Wednesday. Let's go out, take this, and Thursday we got finally red folders and also some orange folders, right? We got retail sales, unemployment claims. I think that will be a big move. I think it will be distribution, right? Because we didn't get we didn't get any consolidation uh so far this week. So this consolidation, I think, is today. Tomorrow will be manipulation, right? I think Monday was just weird. I don't know. So I think today's consolidation, tomorrow will be manipulation, right? Down into the CE. And Thursday will be distribution into possibly the CEO of this order block on the daily. Friday, we'll see. I don't trade Fridays, but possibly could be continuation. Maybe reversal. Since nothing what's going on. We got 3 orange folders. Could be continuation. I think. Uh, yeah, I'm looking to take out this high at the end of the month. I feel like in like 1 to 2 more weeks, maybe more, you could see a retracement soon, since we're in a rejection block as well on the weekly. I think this week is still bullish. We can still go up. We don't know. I don't know what Friday is gonna do, to be honest. But for now, we just need to know what will happen tomorrow. And tomorrow, I think, or not think, possibly we'll just go down, take that fair value gap. Thursday, go up. Friday, we'll see. That's it for this trade recap. There was also like kind of a daily review and weekly forecast or whatever, but yeah, took a loss, didn't affect me. No losses should affect you at all. See, this is seek and destroy, just consolidation. Boom, boom, going up and down. Bad price action. Don't trade this. I shouldn't trade it as well. Yeah, just my came back from vacation, so I wanted to look into something. Bad mindset, right? You shouldn't look into getting a trade when you open the market. You should look at like, okay, I will see if the market gives me a trade, right? You shouldn't just come in and be like, okay, I'm gonna trade today. You should come in and be like, okay, I'm not gonna trade today. But if the market gives me something, I will. You know, that's what you should. That's what you all should do. And yeah, see, yeah, price just weird today. And went to the breaker just now. Awesome. I think it will drop lower though. See the fair value gap get taken. It will go up still. I feel like this is a second destroy day. It's not gonna. It's still gonna be a consolidation day. Inside candle. Not looking to anything to happen. Honestly, like, yeah, I don't think anything's gonna happen interesting today. So that's it. Thank you for watching and doing the trade recap with me. Oh yeah, also I forgot to add. This is I marked out the midnight price. This is also important. I forgot. Sorry, midnight price. We were this whole time we were under midnight price, which is a long zone, right? And this is a short zone. You should look at it like this, right? This price right here, and this price right here. This is the go longs zone. This is the go short zone. So when I was in this zone, I was like, okay, this is very good price to go long, and it was until it went above. Yeah, and just this happened. See, going to the fair value gap, and I was possibly also thinking if it retraced right here and went to the fair value gap, we just take the trade and just put my TP at the midnight price. It's more safe. It's more certain. Yeah. This is all for this trade recap. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.